Hi, I'm Sam, and this is Real Housekeeping. So today I want to talk about the amazing cleaning power of baking soda. I literally just found this out maybe like an hour ago, and I've been going crazy on my kitchen, scrubbing stains and getting all the grime and the dirt off. Because before I started using baking soda, I was using this, which is fine. This is, you know, the multi-surface cleaner. It smells very bleachy, has lots of harsh chemicals in it. It's definitely not something you want, you know, your child getting a hold of. And so obviously this has a time and a place. You know, if I'm cooking with chicken, I'm gonna disinfect the countertops. But I had just been using this for, like, you know, all as a multi-surface cleaner for trying to get off dirt, grime, and things that it's not really meant for, and it's more so meant for killing bacteria and viruses. So yeah, I'm gonna show you a little demonstration of the grime that I was trying to pick up using this, and then also using more natural solutions such as baking soda and just hot soap and water. So let me show you. Okay, so here is a spot that gets overlooked. As you can tell, it's not really in plain sight, but if you look at all of that nasty grime. Ew. Yuck. Okay, so to start off with cleaning with the baking soda, you want to make a little baking soda paste like this. Oh, hello. It's literally like almost like glue, but not really. And so what I did was I just added some baking soda to a bowl, and then just added a little bit of water. So you still feel like the grit of the baking soda, but it's not obviously super gritty. Like if you were to just do salt and water, has kind of a smooth texture, but there's a little bit of grit to it. And so you might need to play around with how much water you add. I didn't measure, I just kind of eyeballed it and used it. So there's the little baking soda paste. Okay, so to the right side, I am going to use the 409, and to the left, I'm gonna, oh my gosh. There we go. To the right, I'm gonna use the 409. To the left, I'm gonna use the baking soda. And with both of these, I'm gonna use a soft rag. I'm gonna use some soft rags because it is paint, and I don't wanna scrub the paint off with like any harsh like side of the sponge or scoring pad or whatever it's called. Okay, so I got my 409, my scrubber, and then I got my soap and water and my baking soda paste. I feel like I'm really scrubbing, but I feel like the paint is now being compromised. Abort the mission. No. Okay, so now we'll do I have the soapy water, so I'm just gonna dip a little rag into the soapy water, and then I'll do the dip into the baking soda paste. Okay, so it's like that. Squeeze a little off. Doesn't need to be soaking wet. But yeah, you can already see I'm not scrubbing as hard as I was with that other rag, and it's coming off so much easier, and I'm not using the harsh chemicals. paint's not being compromised as either. So I don't need to abort the mission. Okay, oh my gosh. Look at that. The right side still has those little greasy things. You see those little balls? Those little circular stains. Ooh, and it feels sticky. Okay, and this side, it feels gritty because of the baking soda, but it's a lot cleaner. And so this was just a quick little demonstration. So like I said, that was just a quick demonstration. If I was really just cleaning and deep cleaning, that would have been off so easy. It was a little hard for me holding the camera and using my one finger to scrub. But like I said, where I was cleaning with the 409, it was left really kind of sticky and gross. Like you could tell that the paint was being compromised because of the 409. And so with, you know, both, I'm gonna have to wipe it down, both sides. But with the baking soda, I just need to take a microfiber towel and wipe it down. Yeah, it's all off. The side still feels sticky and gross. I can't just wipe it. I'm gonna have to use soap and water over it. Okay, so that is cleaning with baking soda. And a couple things to keep in mind is that it is gonna leave some baking soda on the surface. So you're either gonna just wanna wipe it off with a dry rag or use a warm paper towel, a wet paper towel to just wipe off the surface. Whoa. And with storage, you can just store baking soda into the refrigerator. You can just store it in the refrigerator, leave it open. I like to put a little plastic bag over it. And there are so many more uses you can use baking soda for. Use the 409 occasionally, but for just quick, you know, kind of more weekly or, you know, every couple of days, you just need to scrub, use the baking soda paste. So yeah, that is cleaning with baking soda.